Learn Gujarati fast. Where is the toilet? To why are you here? In English in
Gujarati.
Welcome to Survival Gujarati. Hey, you're about to learn 5 extremely useful Gujarati questions, and yes, at least one of them may save your dignity in public. Let's make this fun, memorable, and very easy to say aloud. Imagine you have landed in Gujarat with confidence, curiosity, and the vague feeling that you should have studied more on the plane. Do not worry. Today you will master 5 life-saving questions. First,
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
meaning, where is the toilet? Second,
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
meaning, what does that cost? Third,
તમે કોણ છો?
meaning, who are you? Fourth,
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
meaning, when are you coming? And fifth,
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
meaning, why are you here? Congratulations! You are now officially prepared for travel, shopping, mystery, friendship, and mild confusion. The toilet quest. Let's begin with the most powerful travel phrase of all. This one is not glamorous, but it is heroic. You are in a busy station. You have a backpack, a bottle of water, and regret. You walk up to someone politely and ask,
માફ કરશો, શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
That means, excuse me, where is the toilet? The core phrase is,
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
say it slowly with me.
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
Funny memory trick. Imagine a superhero whose only superpower is finding restrooms. His battle cry is not dramatic. It is just,
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
honestly, still useful. Mini drill. I say English, you say Gujarati. Where is the toilet?
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
Again, where is the toilet?
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
Bizarre bargaining. Now you are in a market, because language learning gets better the moment snacks and shiny objects appear. Time to ask the price before your wallet faints. You point at a beautiful handmade cup, a scarf, or perhaps a mysterious object that may be a lamp or a cooking tool. You ask,
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
this means, what does that cost? Listen to the rhythm.
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
It almost sounds like a market song. A very responsible market song. Scene. The seller smiles, the price is unknown, and your inner accountant wakes up. You say,
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
mini drill. What does that cost?
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
One more time. What does that cost?
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Bonus silly image. A parrot sits in the shop and keeps shouting.
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Every time anyone touches anything. That parrot is financially wise. Who are you, exactly? Now we enter the mystery section. This phrase is useful at the door, in stories, and when a cat wearing sunglasses enters your kitchen. The phrase is,
તમે કોણ છો?
it means, who are you? Picture a knock at the door late at night. You open it just a little and ask.
તમે કોણ છો?
Or a dramatic version. A superhero lands on the roof, smoke everywhere, cape flapping, and you calmly say,
તમે કોણ છો?
very reasonable. Mini drill. Who are you?
તમે કોણ છો?
Again, who are you?
તમે કોણ છો?
Memory tip. Focus on
કોણ?
the word for who. So when identity becomes a mystery, you already have the flashlight.
તમે કોણ છો?
Late friend drama. Every language needs a phrase for waiting on someone who said, I'm almost there, 40 minutes ago. Gujarati is ready for that too. The phrase is,
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
it means, when are you coming? Imagine you made tea, prepared snacks, arranged chairs, and even cleaned the table. No one arrives. You send a message.
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
Funny version. Even a snail is waiting for a turtle in size.
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
That is a very slow friendship. Mini drill. When are you coming?
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
Again. When are you coming?
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
Extra memory image. A giant clock hangs on your front door and keeps asking.
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
Slightly rude clock, but unforgettable. Unexpected visitor. And now for the final question, perfect for surprise, confusion, and suspiciously dramatic entrances. You are going to like this one. The phrase is,
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
it means, why are you here? You open a classroom door and see someone inside who definitely should not be there. You ask.
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Or imagine a cat in glasses walks into a serious meeting and sits at the table. Everyone turns and asks.
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Fair question. Mini drill. Why are you here?
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Again. Why are you here?
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Helpful comparison.
તમે કોણ છો?
Asks identity. Who are you? But.
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Asks reason. Why are you here? Same mystery, different angle. Quick quiz show. Time for a fast and funny review. You answer in Gujarati before my imaginary game show trumpet plays. Question 1. You are in a station and need help fast. How do you say, where is the toilet? Answer.
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે?
Question 2. You point at an item in the market. How do you ask, what does that cost? Answer.
એની કિંમત કેટલી છે?
Question 3. A stranger appears at the door. How do you ask, who are you? Answer.
તમે કોણ છો?
Question 4. Your friend is late. How do you ask, when are you coming? Answer.
તમે ક્યારે આવશો?
Question 5. Someone is standing in your room for no obvious reason. How do you ask, why are you here? Answer.
તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just learned 5 Gujarati questions that are practical, memorable, and delightfully dramatic. Let's hear them once more together.
શૌચાલય ક્યાં છે? એની કિંમત કેટલી છે? તમે કોણ છો? તમે ક્યારે આવશો? તમે અહીં કેમ છો?
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing these phrases out loud, repeat them during your day, and do not worry about sounding perfect. The more you use Gujarati, the more natural it will feel. See you in the next chapter, and happy practice.